Hello, welcome back to Craft Drawer. Here's an easy recipe for you to enjoy that's quick and delicious to make for your next meal. Check out the 2-ingredient biscuits in 2 minutes. No butter, no fuss. Easy to make with only 2 ingredients. Ready for the easiest, flakiest biscuits you'll ever make, with just 2 ingredients? Let's whip up a batch that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or anytime you need a warm, buttery bite. Let's get started. You will need 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1½ cups heavy whipping cream. In a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1½ cups of heavy whipping cream. That's it. Stir it up just until combined. It's going to be wet and sticky, don't worry, that's exactly how it should look. Now flour your countertop and your hands. Turn your dough out onto the surface and gently flip it around in the flour just a few times. We're not kneading like bread, just giving it a little structure. Press it out with your hands and fold it into thirds. This step helps create air pockets for tall, flaky biscuits. It's the secret move for bakery-style layers. Use a rolling pin to gently roll the dough out to about 1 inch thick. Now cut out your biscuits using a 2-inch cutter or anything about that size. Press straight down and lift up. No twisting. That keeps the sides from sealing and helps them rise beautifully. Place your biscuits on a cast iron skillet or cookie sheet with the sides touching. This helps them rise up instead of out. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, or until golden brown and delicious. Check these beauties out, fluffy, golden, and they taste even better than they look. No butter, no eggs, just pure biscuit bliss in just a few minutes of prep time. Now it's time to enjoy. Use your favorite honey, butter, or jam on these delicious biscuits. If you love this quick biscuit recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more ideas and inspiration. See you in the next one.
Ba ba da ba ba ba.